Welcome to this tutorial on enabling HTTPS on your Godaddy website. HTTPS is a secure protocol that protects your website and its users from cyber threats. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to enable HTTPS on your Godaddy website. First, you need to purchase an SSL certificate from Godaddy. An SSL certificate is a digital certificate that verifies your website's identity and enables HTTPS. To purchase an SSL certificate, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the SSL certificates section. Choose the type of SSL certificate that suits your needs and follow the checkout process. Once you have purchased the SSL certificate, you need to generate a certificate signing request. This request is used to verify your website's identity and generate the SSL certificate. To generate a certificate signing request, navigate to the SSL certificates section in your Godaddy account and click on the Manage button next to your SSL certificate. Then, click on the Generate Certificate Signing Request button and follow the prompts to generate the request. After generating the certificate signing request, you need to validate your domain ownership. This is a security measure to ensure that you own the domain for which you are requesting the SSL certificate. To validate your domain ownership, you will receive an email with a verification link. Click on the link and follow the prompts to validate your domain ownership. Once you have validated your domain ownership, your SSL certificate will be issued. To install the SSL certificate, navigate to the SSL certificates section in your Godaddy account and click on the Manage button next to your SSL certificate. Then, click on the Download Certificate button and download the SSL certificate files. To enable HTTPS on your Godaddy website, you need to install the SSL certificate on your website. If you are using a Godaddy hosting plan, you can install the SSL certificate through the Godaddy control panel. If you are using a third-party hosting plan, you need to contact your hosting provider for assistance with installing the SSL certificate. After installing the SSL certificate, you need to update your website's URL to use HTTPS. You can do this by updating the URL in your website's settings or by using a plugin to automatically redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. In conclusion, enabling HTTPS on your Godaddy website is a straightforward process that involves purchasing an SSL certificate, generating a certificate signing request, validating your domain ownership, installing the SSL certificate, and updating your website's URL to use HTTPS. By following these steps, you can secure your website and protect your users from cyber threats. Remember to always use HTTPS to ensure the security and integrity of your website and its users.